If you just watched OpenAI's demo day, you're probably as excited as I am about the new agent builder. With it, you can start building AI projects for your business in minutes. But here's the catch. Most enterprise AI projects stall right here. Why? Because Agent Builder doesn't give you an easy, secure way to connect your company's real internal data. Your choices are either upload everything to a vector store, duplicating your data and adding costs, or set up your own MCP server, which is time consuming and raises security concerns. That is where DreamFactory's MCP changes the game. Instead of moving or duplicating data, you can expose your existing databases, files, and APIs as an MCP endpoint securely in under a minute. Let me show you. Here in our MCP console, we can establish our connection. As mentioned, we support every popular database, vector store, and file store system. Here, I'll just search for MySQL, and I will start establishing my connection. Here, I've plugged in my credentials, and I'm ready to proceed. I've successfully connected to my MySQL instance, and I have all of my tables exposed here. For the purposes of the demonstration, I don't want to expose everything, and I want to make sure that the AI can only read from my particular data sets. So I'll do so by saying they have read only to the buildings, the departments, and the employees table. And then I will proceed at the bottom. I'll continue to configure my MCP server, and I will start the server. Now that MCP server is readily available for us to start connecting to our agent builder, I'll go to ChatGPT and I will copy my MCP URL. I will go back to the agent builder and select the MCP integration. And here I will add my connection as a custom server. I will give it a name as my demo MySQL, and I will say none and connect. Our connection is now established, and we have all of our tools available to us for connecting to MySQL and querying that data I need exposed for this agent to work successfully. If you are experimenting with Agent Builder today, this is the fastest way to go from a demo to a real proof of concept. You can plug in production-grade data right now without waiting on infrastructure or approvals. We built DreamFactory MCP on top of standardized open API endpoints with RBAC, token limits, and full auditability baked in. That means you don't have to worry about security reviews or data duplication. As I like to say, it just works. If you want to unleash the agent builder on your company's real data without the usual roadblocks, try DreamFactory MCP. I'll drop the link below so you can spin it up and start building today.